Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss the very important topic of grammar, that is reported speech, which is also been called as direct and indirect speech. Now let us see first of all that how many types of reported speech are there. So first one is direct speech and another one is indirect speech. It means that there are two types of speeches. First is direct and second is indirect speech. Now let's see what is direct speech. A direct speech gives the words of a speaker exactly as spoken. Direct speech is mainly used in conversation in books, quotations, and plays. Let's see one example, that is Rama said, Hari is an idle boy. So you can see that in this sentence, Hari is an idle boy is a direct sentence. So this complete speech is in direct speech. Therefore, whatever Hari is, according to Rama, is in inverted commas. Now let us see. When we use direct speech in writing, we place the words spoken between inverted commas. And there is no change in these words. Means whatever is spoken, it will be written as it is. No change will be applicable here in the direct speech. Now let's see the indirect speech. So an indirect speech gives the same meaning without using the speaker's exact words. This type of speech is usually used to report what the speaker said. So we change the tense of the word spoken. To make it more clear, let's see the example. Rama said that Hari was an idle boy. So you can easily differentiate between the direct and indirect speech with this example. Here, Hari was an idle boy is not in any inverted commas because it is in indirect speech. Now, note that indirect speech is also known as to be as reported speech. Means we usually call indirect speech as reported speech also. To make more clear the rules of reported speech, you just go through this table. So here you can see from direct speech to indirect speech the change in tenses of the verb. So you can see that simple present tense changes into simple past. Present continuous changes into past continuous tense. Present perfect changes into past perfect tense, and simple past changes into simple past perfect tense. And past perfect changes into past perfect, means no change will be there, only the change in the person will be there, means third person will be used in the indirect speech. So by these examples it is, I think, more clear. Now let's move towards some more changes. So here you can see that past continuous will change into past perfect continuous or remains past continuous. Okay, and modals will change to their past form. Suppose can is there, so can will change into could. Will or shall will be there, so will or shall will change to would. And if in a sentence could, by mistake here can is written, so it will be could, would, might or to will be used. So no change will be there because they all will be the past form of can, will be the past form, could will be the past form of can, would will be the past form of will or shall, and might will be the past form of may. Therefore no change will be there. So after looking towards this table, you just remember one important thing, that is some of the sentences of simple present tense remain unchanged. So let's see what kind of sentence don't have any change in the indirect speech also. Suppose the teacher told the class the sun rises in the east. We all know that this sentence, the sun rises in the east, is a universal truth. So in the case of universal truth, we can't say that the sun rose in the east. Okay, so the sentence will remain as it is, only the inverted commas will be removed, and the sentence will become, the teacher told the class that the sun rises in the east, because it is a universal truth, so no change will be there. Okay, so in the similar manner, some of the sentences more are given here, so you just go through them and make it more clear. Now let's go through one more table to make more clear the change of tenses from direct speech to indirect speech or reported speech. So as I have told you earlier also that simple present tense changes into simple past tense. Let's see the example also. I never eat meat, he explained. So in the indirect speech, this simple present tense sentence will transform into simple past. So the sentence will become, he explained that he never ate meat. In the same manner, the present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. Let's see its example. Here you can see that I am waiting for Anne. He said, this is the sentence of present continuous. So it will change into past continuous. So the sentence will be, he said that he was waiting for Anne. And in present perfect tense, the sentence is, I have found a flat, he said. And it will change into past perfect. So the sentence will be, he said that he had found a flat. And present perfect continuous tense, he said, I have been waiting for ages. And this tense will change into past perfect continuous. So the sentence will be, he said that he had been waiting for ages. So it's quite clear that all the parts of present tense will change into the same part of the past tense. Means simple present will change into simple past, present continuous will change into past continuous, present perfect will change into past perfect, and present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. So it's quite easy to remember. Now let's see. Simple past will change into past perfect tense. So past perfect, let's see. In simple past, if I say that I took it home with me, she said. So the sentence will get changed into past perfect, and the sentence will be, she said that she had taken it home with her. So in the future tense, in the future tense, the sentence will be, he said, I will or shall be in Paris on Monday. So this will or shall will transform, and the third person will be there. So the sentence will become, he said that he would be in Paris on Monday. And in future continuous, I will or shall be using the car myself on the 24th, she said. So it will change into, she said that she would be using the car herself on the 24th. So as I've told you, in the case of models or will shall, the change means the second form means would will be used, or the second form of the present model, the sentence will change accordingly. Now let's see one more example to make it more clear. If a sentence is, I said I would like to see it, then would is already there, means it is the past form of will or shall. So the sentence will have no change, only that will be used here. So the sentence will be, I said that I would like to see it. So only inverted commas will be removed, and in place of those inverted commas, that will be used. No changes there. Okay. Now let's see one more table to make your learning the tenses, the change in tenses from direct to indirect speech through this table. You just see, the simple present will change into simple past, and present continuous will change into past continuous. Okay. Here you see Simple past, present perfect and past perfect will change into past perfect. And past continuous, past perfect continuous and present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. And future going to will be was, were, going to. And future will and conditional will change into would. And the same thing will happen with the models also, as I have told you that in the models also the second form of them, past form of those models will be used. Here you just see some more rules, means the changes in adjectives and adverbs from direct speech to indirect speech. So you just see that will change to, this will change to that or the, and that will change to those or the. Here will change into there, now will change to then today will be changed into that day, and tonight will change from that night. Tomorrow will change into the next day or the following day, and last night will change into the previous night or the night before. The day after tomorrow will be changed into in 2 days time, and yesterday will change into the day before or the previous day. The day before yesterday will be changed into 2 days before or 2 days ago. Then next week will change into the following week or year, means next week or year will change into the following week or year. This week or year will change into that week or year, and last week or year will change into the week or year before. So these are the basic changes which you have to keep in mind while changing a sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. So I hope you all have understood the rules, but the main thing is to comprehend these rules. Means it's up to you how you are learning them. Once when you will get to know the rules of tenses, basically the main thing is how, first of all, to recognize a sentence, means the sentence is in which tense. That is the foremost thing. So first of all, know the rules of tenses, then learn a reported speech. Thank you.